we all contribute, either weekly or bi-weekly, or we hear from our employer how much health insurance costs, we always think to ourselves, well, at least that's going to pay for somebody's health care. Well, as we heard from previous speakers, that's not what happens all the time. And the list of the bill of particulars for United goes on and on. The stock options, they had a falsified claims platform, they're horrible on mental health, they approve treatment and then don't pay for it. We need a quality, affordable health care benefit for everyone. It's not a question of the resources. The resources are there, right? They're just being diverted from something that it should be going to, which is health care. Health care premiums, that's the financing mechanism that pays for Hasbro, or pays for the ER at Rhode Island, or Fatima, or Women and Infants, or the doctor's office, or podiatrist. That's what pays for that training, for that infrastructure. And when it's diverted, as Steve was saying, to an extraordinary dividend, or it's shipped out of state, or it's used to pay excessive compensation, that's wrong. All employers make a big issue out of, I can't deal with these rising premiums. Their solution was, well, make the worker pay. Well, as we've seen for the last 15 years, that hasn't happened. Premiums have continued to gone up. We know that the health care premium for a family now costs the equivalent of someone working full-time for the whole year at the minimum wage. There's enough money in the system. It's being diverted away from providers. As Steve said, United, we asked them at that hearing, make a commitment to primary care. We know that primary care saves money in the long term if people have a medical home, if they can get treatment before they become ill. They haven't moved on that. They know that they're below that. They're not competing based on service and value. They're competing on trying to deny coverage and under-reimburse providers, and that's wrong. That's hurting the medical system in Rhode Island, which we all depend on.